spots, water spots, water spots. I've been trying for the last few years to figure out how to remove water spots off these windows. I've tried so many different products, wasted my money. You can see these water spots. Actually, oops, a little bit of grease, but feel them. They're impossible to get off of here. But I figured out a way. Actually, from another video I watched, that somebody used a product to remove the film on their front headlights. I used a speed drill with a buffing pad for headlights and 3M rubbing compound, and it's amazing the difference that this made. It removed the majority of these water spots. The other side of my truck is crystal clear now. No water spots whatsoever. Incredible difference. So to make the job of cleaning this window, getting the water spots off easier, I removed on these suicide doors, these bolts. They go through the glass and into the hinge. I removed this one just so you can see what I'm talking about. What I'll use is a piece of painter's tape to keep the abrasive from going into the vehicle while I'm using a power drill. And this is what the bolt looks like. Very simple. No problem. Take one out at a time, you'll be okay.